Hello, how are you today? Today I'm going to talk about if you're experiencing the same circumstances, same people, same problems, same it's like a roller coaster. If things are not changing, the reason is, and this is what I'm going to talk about, stay at the end if you want to have a benefit around your business, around your personal goals and professional goals. And of course, I'm trying to build my business. If you're building your business, and this topic definitely going to help you. So I'm going to talk about the paradigm. What is the paradigm? Why it's holding us back? How we can change that? And to changing your paradigm, definitely you're going to see the change. Until we're not going to change our paradigm, nothing going to change. Let me tell you the truth. And this is what I have learned. This is what I'm going to share with you. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anita Bansal. I am consultant of Thinking into Result. My mentor is Bob Proctor and Sandy Gallagher. And what I have learned, this is what I'm going to share with you. Do you know our beliefs are not sound beliefs? One is in the consciously, one in the subconscious mind. We have to know our mind. This is what I'm going to share with you. What is holding us back is a paradigm. Paradigm is a multitude of habits in the subconscious mind, and we call a beliefs. If things are not working, you're not seeing the result, the reason is the beliefs already built in the subconscious mind. And since we were small, when we were little, our subconscious mind was wide open, and all the information around whatever was going on in the news, the family, the friends, everything it goes in the subconscious mind. And when we are grown up, and the same beliefs, something we don't want, and sitting in the subconscious mind, and according to that we are attracting everything, how we feel emotionally. Even when we grow, we grow up and we learn new things and we learn new beliefs, but that is only sitting on the conscious mind. And why we keep attracting the same thing? Because we are attracting according to the what's in the subconscious mind. We are attracting because subconscious mind is our emotion mind and how we feel, and according to that we are attracting all the circumstances, all the problems, whatever is something we don't want, and we're gonna keep attracting the same thing. And to change that, we have to change our subconscious mind, the beliefs we wanted to believe in. So we have to change the beliefs to change everything, and otherwise nothing going to change. Let me tell you the truth. And it's not about gathering the information, it's about the knowing. Actually, you have to know what you have to believe, because sometimes we think I believe in that, but down really, down really, deeper down, we don't really believe it. Sometimes things, they can happen, or it can be believed, because only on the surface we are believing it. If you're just believing on the surface, and it's not going to change. Let me tell the truth. It doesn't matter how much you have gathered the information, doesn't matter how educated you are, doctors or lawyers or engineer. If your subconscious is not changed, nothing going to change. And that's what I have learned, and that's what I'm changing myself, and I'm changing my beliefs, and according to my beliefs, things are changing for me. So it's ongoing process. Because the beliefs we are some beliefs are really not helping us, and the way we grow up, the way the environment, the way whatever we listen, and they are not helping us. So if you are going through something and you are feeling that you're getting the same circumstances, same things, nothing in changing your business, the business not growing and things are not going according to, that means you have to change your subconscious mind. Subconscious mind, whatever the beliefs are there, you need to change it, and you must be question how you going to change it. So good question, how to change it. Okay, how to change our beliefs? We have to write down first what is not working for us. Then we have to write down as a positive. How, whatever you have written as a negative, now we have to write down positive. So how would you like to see your results working as a positive? So then you write down what you have written as a negative. Then you have to write down as a positive one or two beliefs you wanted to change it. Now you write down in affirmation, very small affirmation with emotions, like something you wanted to change. I'm so happy and grateful now that I'm healthy and I'm feeling really excited. So you have to put the emotion, because we attract everything how we feel emotionally. And make affirmation, very small affirmation as a positive. Then you can record it, you can write it on 100 times a day, or you can impress it in your subconscious mind, saying again and again and again with the repetition. And with the repetition, we're overwriting the paradigm. Imagine that, how many years old your paradigm is, 30 years, 40 years, 50 years old, and we are writing it over, what we want as a positive beliefs. And if you can do that, you definitely is going to help you. Try it for 40 days, then try it 40 days again, and definitely going to help you. It's helping me. I'm changing my beliefs all the time, and still needs to change so many. So it's ongoing process, and it's overnight you're going to change it. And you have to keeps overwrite it what you want as a positive. So now on, you know how to change your paradigm, your multitude habits as a beliefs. And you can change your beliefs to change your circumstances, change your environment, change whatever you're trying to see the change. Everybody's change is different, and whatever is you looking for the change, you can do that. You have to change your beliefs, and you attract everything according to how you feel emotionally. And to change your emotions according to the beliefs, you're definitely going to change everything. So hopefully this lesson going to help you as a paradigm. My mentor, he was teaching this information all around the world, the paradigm, how the mind works, how the beliefs you can change your beliefs, and changing your paradigm. And if you're not going to change your paradigm, nothing going to change. This is what I have learned from my mentor, and this is what I'm aware of it now. If you're not aware of it, you have to change your paradigm as your beliefs, and start writing overwrite your beliefs, something you want, not something you don't want, something you want as a positive. Make it small affirmation, affirm it, repeat it. Repetition is the key. And if you want to know more about the repetition on autopilot, read the book Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. There is a lesson, autopilot, repetition, how we change, override the paradigm, how we can change our old beliefs, old something not working for us, something we wanted to see the working. So you can overwrite it with the autopilot. Autopilot means something doing the repetition again and again and again. My mentors used to tell us we have to write down 100 times a day. Who's got time to write 100 times a day? But people are doing it. I did it. And definitely, if you start doing that, things going to start to change for you. And if you don't have time, you can record it, your own affirmation, writing with I'm so happy and grateful. Know that whatever the beliefs you're trying to change, I'm living in abundance universe world, and I'm really excited and I'm really happy. I'm an abundance being. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And you can record that and you can start listening it, and definitely going to work for you. It's working for me because I'm changing every day. I'm growing every single day. So it's ongoing growth. It's not going one day you know something and then you're gonna change it. No, it's ongoing process. Okay. So there's no limit in the sky. So we can grow as much we want. So it's helping me, it can help you also. Changing your paradigm, changing your beliefs, changing the beliefs you want. Thank you for watching the YouTube, and have a great day. If you like the YouTube, give thumbs up. And I would like to see your comments. Your comments can help, of course, going to help me. And what do you think about the paradigm as your own beliefs? Are they sound beliefs, or the beliefs are really, and yeah, something you wanted to believe, and they are not alignment in your subconscious mind, you can do that in alignment, consciously and subconsciously. They must be aligned in one belief, not subconscious differently and consciously differently. So you have to align it consciously and subconsciously. Thank you for watching the YouTube, and have a great day, and leave your comments. Your comments going to help me. And thank you. Bye.